Here's the truth about how people are making money online while they sleep. They're not working 12-hour days. They're not glued to their phone. And they're definitely not chasing strangers in DMs. They're using automation. And today, I'm going to show you how it works. Even if you're not tech savvy, even if you're a total beginner, and even if you only have a couple of hours a day. Hey friend, I'm Lori. I'm a former teacher, mom of 4, and a 52-year-old empty nester. When chronic illness made it hard for me to work a traditional job, I went searching for a better way to earn from home. I didn't want to start a business that took over my life. I wanted something simple, flexible, and meaningful. Something that would let me be present with my family while still building something of my own. And that's when I discovered the power of automation. We've been taught that if you want to earn more, you have to do more. More hours, more meetings, more stress, more hustle. But the truth is, for busy moms and dads, empty nesters, and anyone navigating real life, that kind of model just doesn't work anymore. You don't have the energy to work all day and all night. You want your time back. You want to support your family, but not at the cost of your health and your peace of mind. And that's exactly what automation helps solve. Let me break it down super simply. When we talk about automation, we're talking about tools and systems that work for you while you're living your life. Inside the system I use, you get a done-for-you website that runs 24/7, pre-written emails that go out automatically to your subscribers, digital products that are delivered instantly without you lifting a finger, a content system that brings in new people every day. So even when I'm taking a walk, watching a movie, or resting, my business is still working for me. And the best part, I didn't have to build it from scratch. If you're listening to this and thinking, this is what I've been looking for, drop ready in the comments and I'll send you the free Freedom Blueprint. It's the exact system I'm learning right now, and it shows you how to make money online with automation, even if you're brand new. Automation doesn't just save you time, it gives you freedom. Freedom to rest when you need to, freedom to take a break and not lose momentum, freedom to build something lasting without burning out. It's the difference between trading hours for dollars and building something that grows even while you sleep. You get to work just 2 hours a day, focus on the parts you enjoy, and let the system take care of the rest. That's not a dream, that's automation. Inside the Legacy Builders program, you get 4 digital products you can start promoting immediately, 100% commission on every sale, a plug-and-play system that follows up for you, a ready-to-go website with your name on it, daily training, and a 50,000 person support community. And the best part, you don't have to sell to friends or post awkward stuff online. You just follow the system, use your voice, and serve people with value, all while letting automation carry the load. You don't need to be a tech genius. I'm not. You don't need to have a following. I didn't. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. This works because it's built for real people living real lives, not influencers, not full-time marketers, just regular moms and dads who want more freedom. And if you're anything like me, you're not just doing this for a paycheck. You're doing it to create a legacy, a business that gives you purpose, a rhythm that gives you peace, a model your kids can look up to. Automation lets you build that kind of future with simplicity, with heart, and without sacrificing your health or time. Friend, if you've been burned out, stuck, or afraid to try something new, I see you, and I want you to know this: there is a better way. You don't have to figure it all out. You just have to take the next step. So here it is. Drop ready in the comments and I'll send you the free Freedom Blueprint. It's helped so many people like us start making money online with automation, and I'd love for you to have it too. I post new videos every Tuesday, so be sure to subscribe. You've got this. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to catch this next video.